From the Pirelli Research and Development Center, introducing Pirelli's P0 All-Season Plus, a well-rounded, ultra-high performance tire for all weather conditions. The technical features of the tire's tread pattern, such as the tread block stiffness, lateral siping, winter siping technology, and optimized circumferential grooves, all play important roles in the tire's performance. The overall shape and structure of the tire are designed to create the optimal contact patch of the rolling tire on the road surface, resulting in improved tread wear and better mileage. For a more comfortable ride, the overall shape and stiffness of the sidewall is optimized to absorb impacts on uneven roads, while maintaining the precise steering control of an ultra-high performance tire. P0 All-Season Plus, the ultimate in grip, handling, and mileage.